We're gonna attempt to prank JD's dad.
Pranking my dad by putting a poster on the back of his car.
We're gonna put it without him knowing, you know what I'm saying?
Devil, this shit hard. I gotta escape. Dip off in a race. You come to the crib and get stopped at the gate.
What's up, TJ Squad? So, right now, I am gonna go fetch Baby T at his house, and we are gonna be pranking my dad by putting a poster on the back of his car saying "Hoot if you hate COVID."
This is the poster, guys.
So we're gonna try and get his reaction to this. Hopefully there is some good content. I'll see you guys when we get started.
What's up, TJ Squad, man? It's your boy BT. We are back with another video, man. Okay, guys, y'all saw the title, y'all saw the thumbnail. You guys know what's gonna happen today, man. We're gonna try and let me just say this. We're gonna attempt to prank JD's dad. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully this works out, man. It's so annoying how we do so many videos and then they like literally they don't work out and then we don't upload them. But then hey, man, this one hopefully, man, works out everything, bro. So hey, man, I recorded a clip where I did a poster. That poster we're gonna put that poster at the back of JD's car. I mean, what the hell am I saying? Okay, did you see that poster that I in the previous clip? We're gonna put it at the back of JD's father's car. Okay, y'all get it? And then we're gonna put it without him knowing, you know what I'm saying? So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna pretend as if I don't know how to open the trunk so that Jared can come and help me out and open it. But then we're gonna I asked my mom to help me out to distract Jared's father by talking to him, you know. So hopefully we get the poster at the back of his car without him knowing, and hopefully people hoot, you know what I'm saying? Like, you guys better hoot, man. So man, like, while that's being said, man, like the video, comment, subscribe. I told Jared to do his intro. Hopefully he did it, you know what I'm saying, man. So see you guys in a few. See you guys. Yeah, man, hope you guys are doing well, and please get us to 100 subscribers. We're at 91 or 92 right now, so please do the most, guys, man. Hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you guys, you know what I'm saying. And we apologize for not uploading, but then, man, y'all don't care about that, man. See you guys in a few. And I hope I said everything that y'all want to know. I hope I said everything. Okay.
She told me put my heart in the bag.
2, 1.
What's up, TJ Squad? It's your boy BT
With your boy JD,
and we are back with another video.
we are back, guys.
And
Why are you starting with me in it?
Because
we vlogging. It's our first vlog.
yeah.
What's this
So-
live?
No,
No,
this is
just a
normal
vlog.
recording.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, so today we are going to be doing our very first vlog, guys, with my dad. Just say hi, TJ Squad.
How's it, TEEJAY SQUAD? It's your main Jared's dad, yeah?
Yeah, okay. So today, we are gonna be. What are we gonna be doing? Tell me.
We vlogging. That's what you just said.
Tell
today.
me what we're gonna be doing in the vlog.
Close your window, Jared.
What are we gonna be doing in the vlog?
What are we gonna be doing?
What are we doing? I don't know what we're doing in the vlog, bro.
Jeez, guys, how can you start without knowing what you can do? Right?
It's because it's part
We-
of the
we
whole
ta- okay.
process. See, we do
How
stuff
you,
on
first
the
of all,
spot.
how you guys doing? How you doing, sir?
Oh, you're asking me. I thought
Oh,
you were
yeah.
asking them. They're not going to answer you.
No, they're gonna comment down below
Oh, okay.
how their
Yeah,
day's
no.
been. I don't know.
I'm doing good. I'm corona free.
Move the camera a bit. Move the camera a bit to your dad so that you can.
I'm corona free. No corona cough.
Okay, this camera's not good at points.
Oh yeah, there. That's
Right,
a good reaction.
right. So guys, hopefully
Tiamo, is your seatbelt on?
Nope.
Tiamo.
Put it back. I'm sorry. I will.
Where's your seatbelt? That's the wrong one.
It's just complicated. Can I help?
Oh no.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I'm
no,
positive.
simple enough.
Okay.
So where are we going?
So today we are going, well, obviously
To
we're
my
going
house.
home. We're going home right now, and
Yeah, we're going home.
Yeah,
we're on the
we're going
road,
home.
hitting the road, and it's a it's been a long time not posting, man. Well, that being said, man, you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys can see me, but you know the lighting is.
Yeah, no, we can't necessarily control the sun. I mean, we could just drive back, but that wouldn't work. Anyway, so guys, comment down below what you guys want to see us do these next couple of days. He's gonna be here for a while, and now this stupid lighting.
Yep.
Listen, his pregnant pause is not going to get you any friggin' more views.
He's what? He's pregnant.
Pauses, yes. He's like you're waiting for something to happen, it doesn't happen.
Yep.
You're trying to think.
Yeah, we're trying. I don't
You
know.
can just
man.
edit out what we don't use. You have to keep recording in case
You just
there's
have to
funny
keep
moments.
recording. Yeah.
Oh, it's just live, so it's,
And guys,
this is,
if you guys should comment down below if I should start giving giveaways for do-rags. I mean, I have a lot of do-rags, so you
What?
guys should start doing that.
what the hell's a durag?
That's what he's got on his head.
I have, yeah,
Is that called a durag?
it's a do-rag.
Okay, it's not a headscarf.
Nope.
Okay. Why is it called a durag?
I don't know. It's called a do-rag.
Why is it called that?
I mean,
I
if you
don't know.
want to, you could call it a headscarf.
Where'd you hear it from?
Me.
Yeah,
Where did I hear it from?
yeah.
It says on the box when you buy it. It's simple.
A do-rag.
Yes.
Okay. And what's that one about?
This one.
Yeah.
For
Huh?
I don't know. I have plenty of these. I don't know.
He's just wearing it because he calls.
What?
I'm gonna need one of those soon when my hair falls out.
Yeah, where's my one?
What?
You're supposed to bring it.
I told you. Oh. You brothers.
But where's my one?
Yo,
I said
then
you
where's
were
your
bringing
brother's
a red
one?
one, and you said yeah, you will.
I said not now.
When did you say not now?
The time I told you.
The time you told me. The time you never told me. Okay. No, you told me you're gonna bring me one.
And I said I'm gonna bring you one, but I'm
How
like,
long's
not
it
now.
been since we filmed? It's been like, what, 2-3 weeks
And
now.
you're gonna punish me for that? Are you gonna?
I ain't punishing you. I'm just telling you.
Yeah.
Where's my one? I'm asking you where my one is.
I don't know. I'm gonna get you one.
Alright.
But you said you had so many, so why aren't you just getting one?
Nah, I love the ones I had.
So you don't share.
You don't want to share?
I want to get him a brand new one. I want to get him what he loves. I want to get him a new. Yeah. What color? What's your favorite color? John? It's white.
My favorite color is red.
Your favorite color is red.
Why would my favorite color be white? It's so plain.
No.
My favorite color is red and green.
Oh, what? No.
What was
That had nothing to do with it.
What is your favorite color? I don't even know it. No, I do know your favorite.
What is my favorite color?
Blue.
What? Bro, we literally done that video in the Smack or Fact video. And they,
No, your favorite color is red.
Yes. If the Smack or Fact, I was gonna slap you.
Yeah, no.
So listen, this light is terrible. Jeez.
I know, the sun is like not in a good position. I don't even know when the perfect time to record is. Maybe like... Is it in the morning?
You got no choice. We're only doing one trip today. And now we've got a guy in front of us spraying the road. And,
Man, we need a little bit of a car wash anyway, so...
well, it's stopping the dust and it's going to spray this guy on his
This
bicycle.
guy on his bike is driving past.
There we go.
Wow, that's a nice.
That's actually a really good bike. That's for riding on the beach, Sam.
How do you know?
Because
It's got the fat,
tires are
it's got the fat tires.
Typical.
Anyway,
Yeah, man. So did you watch the chicken feet video, the one that we made previously?
Eh?
Did you watch the chicken feet video?
No.
you've not watched it yet.
The chicken feed video.
Yes.
No.
Why not?
Why?
Why or why not?
Why not?
It's the same question. Why not and why?
I'm trying to think of a clever answer, but I don't have one.
Yeah. You just don't want to watch our videos anymore.
I just don't want to watch my own son's videos.
Yeah, see.
Yo.
Yeah, that's what it's about.
I'm not gonna lie, people are quite boring in this country.
Yeah.
What are you trying to say? People or me?
People in this country, man. They
See,
so
because-
You could always freaking vlog walking back.
They see, this whole thing was meant to be a prank.
it was meant to be a prank, man. People in South
But they
Africa,
don't
bruh,
do what you want them to do.
they're actually gonna do the opposite, bruh.
Literally.
If you should have said don't hoot, then they
Yeah.
were literally gonna hoot.
Exactly. Put a poster on the back of your car telling them to hoot because they hate COVID.
So that you can get irritated, you know what I mean?
Yeah. These people, they don't do anything.
Nobody hooted.
No one
Nobody
hoots
hooted. That's why
There's a
that's
sign
why,
on the back of my car.
Yeah.
That's why
That probably fell off the way you guys organize.
No.
Huh?
I mean, there's a lot of sand, so it is possible. I don't think it is.
Well, you should have suddenly put something more like irritating.
No, it's
Like-
no, people just don't want to do anything. They're just too lazy or they don't feel like it.
So there's a sign on the back of my car.
Yes.
you
Where?
didn't even realize.
On the boot.
I gotta
Nice.
check this out.
Oh,
Alright,
man.
we'll be back, guys.
It's a fail, man.
Hold
First
on,
prank.
I want you guys to see this sign. It's probably a
I
tiny
showed
little
them.
sign.
They've seen the
They
sign
probably
already.
can't even read.
Okay, Tiamo made it.
I made it.
Just
Let's
just clear that up.
let's check this organization, guys. They want to pull a prank on me. I bet you the sign's so small
No, it's not.
that they can't even read it. Let's check.
The sign is just fine.
No.
Vlog it.
I suppose not too bad.
Not too bad, right? But then people.
Yeah, no, can you guys see that well?
Yeah, sorry, man.
That did not exactly go as planned, guys.
Fail/fail.
Oh well. Got some good reactions, I think. I mean, the conversation was
It's so annoying. It's guys, literally, it's so annoying how we do pranks and then
really
they
is.
don't even work out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
While that being said, man, comment down below what you guys want to see.
And make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. Yeah.
Don't forget to turn your post notifications, man.
I was gonna say
To get
something
notified
like
every
the
single
video
time,
coming
bro.
up, but yeah.
Get us to 100 subscribers. We're like at 94 right now.
Come on,
so.
guys, let's get to 100
Please, guys.
subscribers.
And then from there, it's a road to 1,000,000. You know, join the journey, man. Hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you guys. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, guys, come on, please join the TJ squad here.
And remember to always do your best.
And God will do the rest.
We are out. God bless.